Tired of dealing with frizzy, dull hair that just won't cooperate? We've all been there, when no matter what you try, your hair just refuses to shine or stay sleek. Whether your hair is oily and flat or dry and brittle, getting that smooth, silky finish can feel impossible, especially when you're trying to avoid expensive salon treatments or damaging heat tools. But what if I told you there's a simple way to transform your hair in just 3 days, all with affordable steps and no heat styling needed? Yes, it's totally possible to achieve soft, sleek, and shiny hair right at home. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step routine that will give your hair a total makeover. From deep oil treatments to DIY masks and heat-free styling, this routine works for both dry and oily hair types. Plus, it's all budget-friendly. Let's get started with day 1, and trust me, by the end of day 3, you'll love the results. Day 1, deep oil treatment plus cleanse. Day 1 is all about giving your hair a serious boost of moisture and nourishment with deep oiling. This step is crucial to start repairing your hair from within. Grab an oil that works best for your hair type. Here are some options. For dry hair, use coconut oil or argan oil for deep hydration. For oily hair, go for a lighter oil like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, which won't weigh your hair down. Warm up the oil slightly and apply it to your scalp, massaging gently for about 10 minutes to boost circulation and let the oil penetrate your roots. Then spread it down to the ends. Leave the oil on for 1 to 2 hours, or for best results, overnight. After your oil treatment, it's time to wash out the oil. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair. This way, you're not stripping away the natural oils. Rinse with cool water to keep the hair cuticle flat, helping with smoothness and shine. For dry hair, follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. For oily hair, use a very light conditioner, only on the ends. Day 2. Protein hair mask plus Nourish. Now that we've got a clean, healthy base, we're going to give your hair a protein boost with a budget-friendly DIY protein mask. Protein is essential to help strengthen your hair and make it super smooth. DIY protein hair mask. Ingredients. For this mask, you'll need 1 egg for protein, 2 tablespoons of yogurt for moisture, 1 tablespoon of honey for shine, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, optional for dry hair. Mix these ingredients together and apply the mask all over your hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Your hair will soak up all the protein and moisture it needs. If you have allergy to egg or don't like its smell, you can use this rice hair mask. DIY rice hair mask. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any other, 3 tablespoons of rice water. This rice hair mask is packed with natural ingredients that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and rejuvenated. Mix these ingredients according to your hair type, apply the mask evenly, and leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse out the mask with cool water. Follow up with a light conditioner to lock in moisture. Don't forget to wash your hair nicely and twice after the mask before, or otherwise it can cause smell and greasy hair, especially the egg mask recipe. Day 3. Style heat-free plus extra shine. By day 3, your hair should already be feeling much softer, shinier, and healthier. Now, instead of using heat, we're going to style it naturally with braids to get those effortless, natural curls. After your shower on day 2, gently towel dry your hair or use a microfiber towel to avoid frizz. Apply a lightweight serum or leave-in conditioner to add a little shine. The braids will set your hair and give you natural waves without using any heat. Leave the braids in until your hair is completely dry, or you can even sleep in them overnight. Beautiful, no-heat curls. Once you undo the braids, gently comb through the curls with your fingers for that soft, wavy look. If you want extra shine, add just a tiny bit of hair oil or serum, focusing on the ends. This will make your hair look polished without looking oily. Bonus tips for glass hair. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. You want to keep your hair smooth and prevent frizz, invest in a silk or satin pillowcase. Avoid overwashing. Don't wash your hair too often. Twice a week is enough for most people. Overwashing strips your hair of natural oils. Drink water. Healthy hair starts from the inside. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated and strong. Use a wide-tooth comb. Always detangle your hair with a wide-tooth comb to avoid breakage and split ends. This keeps your hair smooth and shiny. And that's how you get glass hair in just 3 days without breaking the bank. Whether you have dry or oily hair, these steps will give you that sleek, shiny, and healthy look. No heat required. I hope you loved these tips and I can't wait to see your results. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you've watched till the end, drop a heart. See you in the next video. Bye.